What's going on YouTube? GSNO right here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use for you key in order to unlock your device if it's stuck on the activation screen. Now, if you bought the device secondhand and it's stuck on the iPhone locked to owner or iPhone unavailable, stuff like that, you can use this program in certain conditions to get the device working again. Now, this happens a lot these days because many eBay sellers or Kijiji sellers will essentially say that the device is unlocked and they sell it to you, but then once it arrives, you realize that the device is actually locked and they either don't respond or they ask for more money. So this is how you can get to use your device if you bought it and it turned out locked. So we got this program over here, TenorShare For You Key. It's available for both Windows and Mac OS. This is the Mac OS version. And to bypass iCloud activation, we would use this feature over here. Now, this is how a device that is locked would look like. Depending on the iOS version, it may look more or less like this. But the essential part is that you cannot go past this setup screen and you cannot get into the application screen and so on. So this program For You Key actually has multiple features, including Unlock iOS screen, which allows you to reset the passcode, reset the device if you forgot passcode, but this will ask you for your Apple ID if you have one set up. Remove Apple ID if you forgot your credentials, bypass MDM, and even remove the screen time passcode if you forgot the passcode for it. And of course, you can no longer access stuff on the device. Now we're going to use this feature, remove iCloud activation lock today. So I'm going to click over here and it says this, remove iCloud activation lock. And of course, there are a couple of important notes that you should keep in mind in here, including a disclaimer. And the disclaimer also contains the supported iPhones as well as the iOS versions that are supported by this. So it's important to make sure that you have a supported device before buying the program. So it says in here, before removing iCloud activation, your device will be jailbroken, and this can potentially break the device. It's rare, but it can happen. And after removal, you cannot make calls or use cellular data or create or log into iCloud. You can download applications from the App Store and you can use them, and you can place calls via Wi-Fi, for example, with WhatsApp or Messenger and so on, but you cannot use SMS or calling through a SIM card. That's important, and it's a limitation that most of these tools that bypass iCloud would have. It says this feature currently supports iOS devices from A7 through A11 with these CPUs and running iOS 12 to iOS 16. There are a couple of things over here that you should keep in mind, and of course, it's also important to keep in mind that if the device is rebooted, it will be locked to iCloud again. You can use this feature, the program again, to unlock it. So yeah, don't reset the device, don't reboot it. I'm going to click next over here and it will start detecting my device. It will enter automatically the recovery mode, which is the mode with the laptop icon and the power cable. At this point, you have to put the device in DFU mode. If you get this kind of pop-up, you just click cancel over here and close out of it. And you have to follow the instructions on the screen to put the device in DFU mode. Now, the program should detect automatically the type of device you have. In my case, it's iPod Touch 7th generation, the latest iPod Touch Apple made. But you can choose from here, if it's not detected properly, you can choose from here what device you have. You can follow the instructions on your screen. I'm going to press start over here and follow the instructions. You should follow yours because they're different depending on the device. Okay, so as you can see in here, it says removing iCloud activation lock, and this may take some time. So we're waiting for the device to boot into the unlocked mode. Yeah, it jumped directly to 81%. I'm seeing the checkmate logo on the screen right now. So it's definitely booting some sort of jailbreak. We're waiting for the device to come back online, and this should be the entire procedure. It should only take a couple of seconds. And as you can see, it says removal completed. Your device has successfully remove the iCloud activation lock. Alright, so as you can see, the device has finally booted. We have now this software update complete screen, and it says removal completed over there in TenorShare For You Key. And now, as you can see, we can use the device properly. So I can open applications and I can type, I can use the device normally. Everything seems to be working fine, including the App Store. As I said, we can get applications from the App Store. It's going to work. However, you should know that you cannot use a SIM card. That is the only limitation, but other than that, you can just get applications and install them if you log in with a normal Apple ID. So this would work on the device. So yeah, that's essentially it. That's how you bypass the iCloud activation or iPhone locked owner with TenorShare For You Key. Definitely check the program out in the link below. As I said, there is also a Windows version available. They also have a 30-day money back guarantee. So check it out below. Thank you for watching. I am GSNO. Peace out.